Now we're going to do the face. And the reason why I'm doing the face, I'm going to be doing it quickly because everybody knows how I do my face. It's nothing new. There's no new products. I haven't been out. Budget's been very tight to do anything like that. So I'm just going to do my face and then I'll let you know how I feel about it. Even though I'm really upset right now, but it is what it is. And I'm gonna go in with my Mulani. Alright guys, so that's today's video. I finished the under eye by myself. I just made it look like a mash just in between where you can see. This is literally like a very intricate look. Like I'm saying, I'm going to be trying to be jumping in color and color. Alicia Artist palette. Mine's a little dirty because I've been playing with it a lot. But like look at this. This look is very cute and like look at it. It's just very like accentuating my eyes. Like this is really cute. And I did that myself with no help. And I look at that highlight. Artist Couture, I love your loose highlighting powders. And ABH Cosmetics, you know I'm a brow bitch. And I love your bronzer and blush. I am disappointed I didn't make it on the PR, but it's always another year. So when Nervina, when you have another PR listing, please get your boy on that listing because I love ABH Cosmetics. Morphe, I love all your products too. As you see, I buy everything Morphe. Like I love your brushes, I love your palettes. I have multiple palettes, even the 39A palette before this palette. I even have the purple palette. I don't even know the name of it, but I have it from Morphe. So Morphe girl, if you want to support, please do. Anywho, that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Something different. Wait a minute. No, we're not done. We forgot lashes, and I forgot mascara. Lord, no we're not. Hold on. Alright guys, that is a wrap. Your boy finished this look, and it is beautiful. Like, do you see this? Do you see the highlight? Do you see everything? Like, honey, I look like a peacock. I look like I have a mask on that's from a peacock's feather. Like, look at me and look at you. Side note, it's a little joke, a little inside humor that me and my friends have. But anywho, ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright guys, so I will be back for another video later. I hope you guys enjoy this look.